Attention all explorers. Attention all explorers. Today I will talk about designing a studio dropback from a single cylinder.
Hello everyone. Today we're gonna check how we can do a studio dropback from a cylinder. First we delete the default cube and we will add a cylinder. Now here's the cylinder. Then we're going to rotate and scale it. We don't need the whole cylinder. We'll delete the faces. We'll only need the quarter of this cylinder. Yeah, we scale it for widening. Then we select the edit mode and we start deleted faces. First the half of the cylinder vertically, then the top quarter of the cylinder. Also we don't need the top and bottom surfaces, so we can delete them. Yeah, we have the bent piece, but we need to smooth that for better looking and better light reflection. Yeah, move it up. Several methods for smoothing the surface, like subdivision, but I will not use that. I just apply some bevel to shrink the faces and get some more faces to double them. Then we select the object mode and smooth, shade smooth. Now we get our surfaces by extruding the edges, top and the bottom edges, through Z and through Y axis. Yeah, we have our dropback. It looks nice, smooth, and the corner is nice. Yeah, let's try that. Let's see if it works. Lighting is the most essential key for 3D scene and 3D perception, so it's very important. That's why we need this dropback, because we don't have any walls and surfaces, objects, etc. to reflect the light in the environment. That's why we use this. Here I'll add 3 lights. We experimented 3-point lighting for a quick result. The camera angle and the object angle is also important. I can tell this setting up the scene and lighting and angles, etc. takes longer time than designing. Alright, let's add some lights, some more lights. This is the default one, and we will add two. One more point light and one area light for the back. Here's our area light, as you see. Alright, I hope you get something from this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you later.